Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about main idea and key details. The main idea is what the story is mostly about. The key details help tell the story. So before we go any further, I want to ask you, do you like pizza? What kind of pizza do you like? We're going to use pizza today to help us with main idea and key details. It doesn't matter what kind of pizza you like. It wouldn't be pizza without the crust and the cheese and the sauce. But some people might say that only having crust, cheese, and sauce is kind of a boring pizza. So, main idea is like a cheese pizza. It's just plain. There isn't much to it. Key details are the important parts of a story, like characters, setting, and major events. The key details are like the toppings on the pizza. They help us figure out what kind of pizza this is or what kind of story we are reading. So let's try a story. The little boy loved rockets. He had a red rocket, a blue rocket, and even a rocket that he could launch up to the sky. One day he lost his red rocket. His mom helped him look for it. They found his rocket under his bed. He was so excited to find his rocket because rockets are his favorite toy. Let's think about this story. What is the main idea of this story? Let's think about what this story is mostly about. Is this story mostly about the boy? Is it mostly about the mom? Or is it mostly about the boy and how much he loves rockets? Now, we're going to say that this story is mostly about the boy and how much he loved rockets. Sometimes we can even find what the story is about by looking up here. The little boy loved rockets. Sometimes when you read a story, it tells you right there what the main idea is. It doesn't work every time, but sometimes it does. Now, what are the key details? Who are the characters in this story? The characters in this story are the little boy and who else? Right, his mom. What things happen in this story? Right, he loses his rocket. Where does he find it? Under his bed. How does he feel at the end of the story? He's really happy and excited because he found his rocket. These are events in the story that can help us with the main topic. Now, we're going to go back to the main topic. What was the main topic of the story? The boy loves rockets. Very good. So that's kind of like the pizza with just cheese. The boy loves rockets. Now, let's figure out again what those key details were. Let's see. He had lots of rockets, was one of the key details. What happened to his rocket? Oh yeah, he lost his rocket. Then what happened? His mom helped him find his rocket. And what happened at the end of the story? He was excited. Right. Now, we also talked about the key details of character, which is the boy and his mom, the setting, which was at their house. Those are also key details. But here are some events that happened in the story. There's lots of rockets. He lost his rocket. He found his rocket, and he was excited. These are like the pepperoni and the sausage and the olives on this pizza here. So that is how you use a pizza for main topic and key details. Keep practicing when you're reading, boys and girls. I know you can do it.